So guys, I am back with another Palworld video, and I can't tell you guys how many times I've been asked the question of how do you get that high quality Pal oil? This stuff right here. Today guys, I've been complete guide on every way I know in getting this vital material. And before we go any further guys, I'm giving away a couple copies of this game, Xbox, Steam, you name it. Now if you win on Xbox and you don't have Game Pass, I'll purchase Game Pass for you. If you play on PC, I'll purchase a game on Steam for you. Now to be in the chance of winning, simply drop a like on this video, leave a comment down below, make sure you are subbed and have those notifications turned on. The more of my videos I see you supporting, the more of a chance you have of winning when it comes to me picking that winner. Good luck. Okay, so high quality Pal oil. Where do you get this from? Well, there's actually a couple places. There's a vendor as well. There's a couple pals you can farm, and today I will explain all. Okay, so first things first, the pals you can farm. We'll start with this one right here, the Digtoise. Now the Digtoise is actually quite a bit of a beast, I'm not gonna lie. But there's two spots on the map you can come and farm this dude, fight this dude, and he'll drop this high quality Pal oil for you. See right here guys, in his habitat, you can see right center of the map. It's actually an easier spot to come to. See in this clip on screen now, there's not loads of them here, but they're actually a level 20, so if you're roughly around that level, let's say 17 to 22, you should easily take these dudes out, and again they drop you that high quality Pal oil. The other spot is top right of the map. Now this looks like a snowy area. In fact, it's very cold at night. It's a desert. During the day it's really hot, so you will need proper armor here, heat resistant, cold resistant if you're going to come up here, or a certain kind of Pal that basically eliminates that problem for you. I have one. His name is a Kitsun, which is probably my favorite floor tame, ground tame in the game. Amazing. But yeah, so that right there guys is a great place to come and farm this dude. There's also the Mammoth, is it called? Let's have a look. This guy right here. Yeah, the Mammoth, I was calling it. So this guy right here guys also drops high quality Pal oil, but I think he drops more of it. Now he is all over the map, but he is at a higher level even earlier on. So you can see him all around by my base is loads of them here, but you can see them everywhere. And again, this guy's actually a real easy fight. I'll showcase to you guys. Okay, so a little edit, a little cut in the video to make it daytime so you can see what we're doing. Now we can see the actual Mammoth right here, and you'll see for me it's quite an easy take out. It probably won't be the same for you guys, but if I just drop out my Kitsun absolutely kicks ass. It's no problem whatsoever for this dude. So this is how I'll get all mine, but there is actually a vendor you can buy it from too. So there we go. Got 21 of it there, got 27 leather and 6 of his meat, so that's pretty cool too. But yes, as I said, this dude spawns in quite frequently all over the map. So what about the vendor? Well, the vendor guys, he charges, it's like 300 per oil, but I'll show you exactly where he is because a lot of people are skipping over this dude, which I don't know why, because he also sells, well, there's actually a vendor nearby that sells them weapons too. Okay, so you want to come, so that's the actual first starting fast travel point. So you want to come down, and you just want to come this way, and you want to come to this fast travel point called Fisherman's Point. There's 3 vendors here. One's kind of like hidden out of the way. One sells like normal materials, which is this guy right here. He sells those normal materials. I say normal materials, some of these may be handy for you. Actually, this guy sells the weapons. So yeah, if you need weapons, come to this dude. The guy down here sells those pals. You may as well check out, just in case he's got something I don't have. Should be rare. Nope, got them. Oh, what's that? Oh, I got more. Okay, so the other vendor, if you come back up guys, he is located down this way. You see him hiding back there, sneaky mofo. Okay, so this dude's right here. He sells this oil for 300 each. He also sells horns, bones, which is used to make that cement, which we need, leather. He sells a lot, including megaspheres, skills, you name it, guys. Lettuce, tomatoes, even for those plantations. I mean, you know, you need 3 of these for each one. So it's quite easy to come and get these. So these cost 300 each. So you're probably strapped for gold. So do I know a way of making easy gold? Yes, I do. And it's bare minimum. It will make you thousands of people. And the best thing is, it's more or less AFK. So you need to come to a certain dungeon. So you can see where up on the map, guys. So again, we go from the base, the starting fast travel point. And you just want to come this way along. Oh shit, I got stick drift so bad. So you just want to come. See this here, guys? This is literally where you need to come to. Literally first fast travel point, and then this one right here. All you got to come to. Now from this fast travel point, there is a dungeon located right here. Now this dungeon is home to a little black cat called Dimau, I believe it's pronounced, M-A-U. This is the only dungeon, the only place in this game I've seen these. So they're quite rare. They're only like a level between 8 and 11. They're easy to tame as long as you have those spheres. Capture as many of these as you can. I'd recommend between 5 and 10. Because these things, guys, will drop you gold AFK as long as you have a ranch in your base. So how this works is, if you go into this dungeon and there ain't any in here, you can actually reset and make the enemies respawn. So if you go into a room and the enemy is wrong, you simply come back out of that room, come back on yourself a bit, and go back into it, and you'll notice the enemies will have respawned and rotated. Do this, guys, until you have these cats. Sometimes you can have like three or four appear at once. So yes, get those tames, get those tames. So once you have them, guys, you want to head back to your base and make sure you have a ranch. So we're just going to go back to my base. I'm going to show you what I mean. Just like this, people. Okay, so my ranch is set up right there. I've got my own little things dropping me cloth and honey at the minute. But if I wanted gold, what I do is I come to my PAL box, which you probably know exactly what I'm going to do. And then, guys, I'd put in my 10 mouse. Now, like I said, these guys are incredible. I'm just going to put them in the room. I can rearrange all this after. Put a few in. Put a few in. You can see them all running. You can see them doing. And what they'll do is, over time, they'll drop that gold for you. Now, what I will say is I tested this, and the most I could get to actually use my ranch at once, including other powers, was like 4 or 5. So I think you're limited to 4 or 5 powers that will drop you materials at one single time. But the best thing is, if you've got 10 of these dudes, you can have 10 all like running around your base. As soon as these 5 little guys take a break, the other guys will rush in and do what they got to do and drop you that gold. So yeah, now it can take a while before they actually start dropping it, but eventually his team here is going to do it now. He's grazing, and there we go. I've got 10 gold from that. Again, if there's 5 of them doing it, they would do it constantly, and it's like it just builds up. Half an hour, you got thousands, and you'll see this on screen now. I literally waited about 10 minutes for all of what you're seeing on screen now. And as long as you ain't limited, you're capped in regards to your items on the floor. You do that in your custom settings. I think it's standard 3,000. As long as you ain't 3,000 pieces of gold on the floor, it should be good to just wait for about an hour and collect all that gold quite easily. And there we have it, guys. That's basically it. The best way, in my opinion, of getting that high quality power oil, which is used for many important things later on, like polymer and weapons and things like that. So guys, I hope this video did indeed help you out. Again, you can farm a couple pals, you can just get money. You can get money other ways as well. You can actually sell pals, which isn't as quick. Well, okay, it's probably quick. You can just run out and tame any pal you want, even the low leveled ones. Get like between 100 and 200 each for them. But it consists of you having loads of spheres. You have to go back to a pal vendor, sell them to him. I mean, you can make money that way, don't get it twisted. But I definitely do think that just getting these cats and having them get you gold over time is just the best way of doing that. But yes, do what you gotta do, people. Now, as far as I'm aware, there is no pal in the game. I mean, I haven't got them all. I haven't seen them all. But there's none as far as I'm aware that when you apply it to your base, it will drop you that high quality power oil within your ranch. If I'm mistaken, please let me know down below. But as far as I'm aware, guys, I haven't seen any. And there we have it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, leaving a like really helps out. If you like what you see and want to see more, be sure to subscribe, and hopefully, guys, I will see you on that next one.